Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you some essential tips to streamline your document creation process using cut, copy, and paste features in Microsoft Word. So if you're ready to save time and effort, let's dive right in. Alright folks, here we are in Microsoft Word. Now picture this. You're working on a document, let's call it our FindJoy Store project, and you realize there's some repetitive text you need to use. Instead of retyping it over and over again, we are going to leverage the power of cut, copy, and paste to make our lives easier. First up, let's locate the text we want to reuse. In our document is the phrase FindJoy Store that appears multiple times. Rather than retyping it, we'll simply select it, copy it, and paste it wherever needed. Here, in our example, we need the text FindJoy Store, so we will highlight this by selecting this text. Once you selected it, there are two ways to copy this text. The first one is in the ribbon. You see the copy button and just click that, and that will actually store your text in the clipboard. The second way is right-click. Once it's already selected, just right-click on the text and you can see copy. Once you click copy, it should select the text. Now we want to paste the text here. Introduction to FindJoy Store. Right-click there and you will see paste options. Now when pasting, paste has some options of its own. If you're copying something that has different formatting, you may want to keep that different formatting or let go of that formatting so that what you paste matches the surrounding content. Well, that's what these options are all about. So down you can see keep sourcing format is option. We can also merge, which is helpful when working with themes and styles. We can paste our content as a picture. It's no longer text, but rather a picture of that text, which can manipulate as an image. And the last option is just to keep the text only. Remove any formatting that came from the original destination. And that's what we are going to do. Click that. And you can see FindJoy Store is pasted right there in front of Introduction to. Now, what if we need to rearrange some text? Say, switch the order of certain paragraphs. Well, that's where cut and paste come into play. I'll show you how to seamlessly move paragraphs around without breaking a sweat. Here I highlighted a text that we want to relocate. So just select this text, click on the cut button, which is the scissors option. Click that and it will disappear. No need to worry. Right now this text is residing in the clipboard. Now we want to bring this text down under advantages of dropshipping. Right? I'll click right before the scalability. So from my keyboard I can press my shortcut keys, which is Control V, and it should bring your text down. Now don't worry about any mistakes happen. You can always undo your paste. If you wanted to bring the text somewhere else, you can simply undo, and let's say you want to paste it right before the flexibility. So I'll just click there and I'll say paste, and it just pasted the text there. There's another way of relocating your text, and that is by clicking and dragging. That uses the same feature as paste. So in this instance, I'll double click on the left margin to select the paragraph. So once the text is selected, I can start moving my mouse cursor and it will actually follow that wherever I want to bring it. So let's say I want to bring flexibility before the minimal investment. I can bring it to the location and release it, and it should move my text there. So these were a few tips and tricks for using copy, cut, and paste. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips. Until next time, happy typing!